So wherever your Zoom window is, you need to find the thing that says open recordings at the bottom. For some reason, the Zoom, whatever update they did, they changed something. And then there's the link right here, so you can copy the link in the passcode. And then you go to wherever you want to in D2L. So you can create, let's say, you want to call this Zoom class or whatever you want to call it, and then you hit enter. I'm not going to create that in this one, but whenever you wherever you create it, wherever it's at, you go to it, and you can either, oh, it created it. You can add a description, and you can put it there. Oops. You can put it there, or you can click create link, put the Zoom link there, and then label it class 8/26/26 or something, and then create it, and then your Zoom should open up automatically. I have mine set to just click and, so there you go.